Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have the Bengoo V-4 Gaming Headsets. So what makes these headphones unique is they come in two different colors. They come in blue and red. They're also compatible with just about every single device out there, including PS4, Xbox One S, Nintendo Switch, different things like that. In addition to that, they have a noise cancelling microphone and then LEDs that light up, so if you're doing any live streaming, that'll look pretty cool. All that for around $25 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go and open them up and check them out. Alright, so before we get these open, I just want to thank Bengoo for sending me these headphones for me to test. Thank you very much. So they come in a nice cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle it. Slide this out like this. Alright, so on top we have an adapter. So this will split the single cable coming from the headphones into something that can be used in a PC for the microphone and then the speaker ports. We have an owner's manual. And then we have the headphones right here. I'll go ahead and get the blue ones out as well. Alright, so as you can see, they both have the colored accents just about everywhere on their headphones. So the blue one has blue LED lights right here in this grill. It also has a blue little accent on the microphone, and then all the cushions are blue as well, including inside the earmuff. So really cool looking there. And as you can see with the red, it's the same thing. Red inside the earmuff, the headband cushion, the microphone, and then the LEDs here are red as well. The headphones have a very cool look to them. They have this stainless steel metal, and that is metal right there. That's not plastic. This is plastic right here. This little chrome, very shiny piece is plastic, but you do have stainless steel metal right here with a nice little kind of nuclear emblem on it. Pretty cool looking. The microphone does articulate up and down. It's also very flexible, so if you sit on it or drop your headphones or something, I don't think it would break them. You can bend them towards you and it'll kind of stay there as well, so it'll fit your face, anything you need like that. The cushions on the earmuffs are very soft and also very thick, so I think that will make them very comfortable when wearing them for long hours. Another thing about the earmuffs here, this is big enough to sit around your ear. It's not going to be sitting on your earlobe causing any discomfort there, because I hate that when headphones sit on my earlobe and then after about an hour I'm tired of wearing them because it hurts so much. And then these do adjust on each side. As you can see, they get much bigger on each side, so it can fit different types of hair. Large hair, you can wear a hat with these, and it does have nice little indicators right and left, so you can easily distinguish. But the microphone's also going to be on the left side, so that's probably the easiest way. And then you have the little cushion up here on the headband. It's very, very soft. It's nice leather feeling material, so that should feel good on your head. Moving on to the cable down here that's on the left earmuff. As you can see, it has a really nice protective piece that'll make sure it doesn't fray or break at all. That's always nice. And then the cable is a braided nylon, so that should last a long time. And it also helps prevent any tangles in it. So the headphones have this little area where you can control different things. You can first mute and unmute the microphone, which is great because if you're live streaming or on a game and you quickly want to mute your mic, you can do that right there, and it's also very easy to tell if it's muted or not. And then you can control the volume of the headphones right here, which is also nice because you don't have to change anything in your game. If you're on a computer and you have to change the volume of your computer, you can quickly do that, and it's only about 2 feet away from the headphones, so it'll be dangling near you. It's very easy to get to. And the color on this is determined by the color of the headphones. So the blue headphones have the blue accents, and the red headphones have the red accents, which is pretty interesting. Then as the cable goes down, as you can see, it has a very nice little cable management Velcro strip that attaches to the cable, so you won't lose that. And then it splits off into 2 different connectors, and they do have protective plastic sleeves on them. So the first is going to be a USB connector, and this is what you use to power the LEDs in the headphones. So you can plug this into a computer, a wall outlet, or even a console, and it'll power the LEDs that are in the headphones. I'll show you what that looks like shortly. And then we have this one plug right here that is used to get the audio in and out of the headphones. Okay, so now I have my filming lights turned off, and as you can see, I just have the little USB cable plugged into a power bank, and that turned on the LEDs. There's no buttons or switch you have to turn on. They will turn on automatically as soon as they have power. So the microphone does have very bright red LEDs coming out of 3 sides, so that'll be very visible if you're on a stream or anything. And then the grill has a really nice glow that's red. It looks really cool, and it's on both sides. As you can see, the camera picks it up as a really nice, good glow, so that looks really cool. As you can see with the blue headphones, a really nice looking neon blue that really comes through great, and you also have the blue LED on the microphone as well. So now that we've taken a closer look at the Bengoo V-4 gaming headsets, I'm going to go ahead and get these hooked up to my computer, and then I will show you what they look like on my head as well as what the microphone sounds like. Alright, so as you can see, I'm currently wearing the Bengoo V-4 gaming headsets, and all the audio you're hearing is coming through the microphone on the headsets. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of what the audio will sound like if you use these in-game or in a stream or something like that. As you can see, the LEDs come through very clearly in a webcam, so if you are using these for streaming, they should look pretty good. You can see the microphone, you can also see the LEDs, that red glow on the earmuffs as well. So far, I'm very impressed with how well these fit my head. Usually with gaming headsets, they're very loose, but these seem to be very tight. They feel secure, and there's actually some noise canceling because of how tight they are. If I move my head around, they don't fall off, so I think that these would even be great for smaller heads such as children. And just for another example, this is what the blue LEDs look like when they're on video. As you can see, a very nice blue glow. The microphone comes through clearly. And one thing I really like about this microphone is that it's extremely adjustable. I can bend it and it kind of just will stay there. I can get it closer to my head if I need it to be. So that makes it really customizable for your head or whatever you need. Now with this control right here, I can quickly mute the headphone and then unmute them very quickly as well. It dangles about 2 feet from your head, so I find that to be extremely easy and convenient. Alright, so that was a quick microphone test of the Bengoo V-4 gaming headsets. As you saw in the video, the microphone actually sounds really good, and it's surprisingly high quality for the price of only around $25. Another thing, as soon as I plugged this connector in my computer, it was recognized by my computer, so there's no installation or drivers that are needed. It's very plug and play. The audio from the Bengoo V-4 headphones is also surprisingly good. Really strong bass. You can feel the vibration a little bit in the headset. So that's awesome when you're playing video games because it's really intense and it makes you feel like you're in the moment. And the lows and mids also sound really good. There was no distortion or tinniness at all. Really, these sound good if you're playing games, listening to music, or even YouTube videos. Really enjoyed it. Sound leakage is not really a problem with these. If you're listening at a comfortable volume, I found that there was almost no sound leakage, which makes sense because the earmuffs are pretty large. If you did have these turned up almost all the way, you could hear what was being played. But really, that's kind of expected. If you have these turned up all the way, you're going to have some sound leakage. Another thing you saw in the video was the LEDs. They look great. I'm really happy that the LED shows on 3 sides. Makes it really look cool in video. And then the glow from under this grill is really cool looking. It's really kind of unique because you get a really strong glow. The color comes through and it really looks cool on video camera. One negative I can say about these headphones, the chrome on the sides is kind of a fingerprint magnet. It really kind of looks oily and dirty after a little bit, so you may have to clean them a lot. No issue with the build quality of this device though. It seems to be very well made. You can stretch them out, you can bend them a little bit, so I think if you had them in a backpack or if you accidentally sat on them, they might survive. Now going down to the controller over here where you have the mute for the microphone and then the volume in the headphones, I found this to be really easy to use and easy to find when it was dangling from my head. I do wish, however, that this had a LED in it or some sort of indicator when you have it on mute other than just this, because if you're playing in the dark, it might be a little hard to easily recognize that you have the microphone muted. Other than that, the 2 connectors are of high quality, and the adapter that is provided makes it really easy to use this with a normal desktop computer. So those were the Bengoo V-4 gaming headphones. If you have any questions about this device, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you already have these headphones, leave your experience below as a comment because that might help others with their buying experience. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.